that the Prime Minister will hold a review meeting. Prime Minister will hold a review meeting at 8 p.m. and Aishwarya is joining us with the details of that meeting. Aishwarya.
At this point of time, after the Prime Minister's office intervention and then the Cabinet Secretary speaking to the Home Ministry, the Home Secretary, now the Prime Minister himself is going to hold a review meeting. This is an emergency review meeting which is going to be held today, and this is going to have officers from not only the Prime Minister's office and the Home Ministry itself, from 8 different ministries. So from procurement to health to providing, to the Home Ministry, which is going to be the nodal agency in this regard. So at least officers of 8 to 9 different ministries are going to be present. Alongside, we are being told that certain officers, certain top officers from the states of Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar could very well be present in this meeting. And as we just said, this is the review meeting after the Prime Minister's intervention and then the Cabinet Secretary giving the complete control to the Home Secretary in this regard. Now the Prime Minister chairing this meet gives a clear sense that the Prime Minister understands that how tough the whole situation is, and to counter this you need to have a positive attitude first, because COVID-19 is a pandemic, let there be no doubt about it. Yes, now we have vaccines, not one but three basically authorized vaccines which can be used in India, and then how to positively look at it and how to basically have a successful implementation process in this regard, Niranjan. That is very important, because yes, there is availability, but then at the end of the day, why there is no availability at the user's end, when the Government of India is providing state governments with all of those basic amenities, why those basic amenities are not being provided to the people of India, even in the remotest possible area. So that is something which needs to be sorted out. And for that matter, now, after the Cabinet Secretary giving the Home Secretary the charge, now the Prime Minister himself is going to chair this meeting up. Yes, Niranjan.